Hey everybody, Joy here. It's Tuesday, September 1, 2020, and it is a dark and stormy day. Very dark, very, very rainy, probably from that hurricane, but oh my goodness. I want to make a real quick, fast video because I need to tell you something important. Let me take a sip of. You may have noticed I have 3 videos up. Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 of the SureFit Designs Blouse Sew Along. The only problem is, there's a Part 4. And I forgot to put Part 4 up for you. So, I have to upload it, and it'll probably take an hour to do that. So I can upload this quick because it's just going to be a few minutes long. But there is a Part 4, and the Part 4 is going to show you how to change the neckline and how to put the facing on. Okay, that's in Part 4. Also, newsflash, newsflash, newsflash. Glenda's Joyfree discount code will work through September 4. This is September 1. So you've got 3 more days after today to use that Joyfree, and it's for free shipping no matter what you order. Okay? Free shipping no matter what you order. Be sure and look at her wonderful ruler that has the handle on it. Let me run and get it real fast. Yes, I forgot to use this in my videos. Not because I don't love it, because I do love it. I just forgot about it. You know, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. This is called her line drafter. Be sure and look at this. It is really, really nice. I love this. It has a handle on it, and the handle stays, and it's super lightweight, and it's got all the lines you need on it. It's really wonderful. So be sure and look at that, called the line drafter. Remember about the discount code. Okay, so that's all I wanted to tell you. Right now, this is going to be a real short, real quick video. I just want you to listen to it because of the wrong information I put in the other videos. September 4 is your day. September 4. Oh, and also, I put lots of links. There's lots of links underneath the video in the description box. Click on Show More, and you will see all of the links to the colored pencils, to the little flat ruler that I slapped down, to the tape, to removable tape, to the not removable tape. I don't even remember what all I put there. But look at all the links below, and then if there's something else you want that I didn't put there, leave it in a comment and I'll get a link for you, okay? Alrighty, that's all I want to tell you now. So, watch videos number 1 and 2 and 3, and I will have number 4 up sometime today, I promise. Number 4 is how to add the facing and the buttons in the buttonhole part, okay? Bye for now.